Hey, thank you for that, Dan. And kids in Western Mass are heading back to school this week. You probably know, especially if you're a parent. Let's hope you do. One of the most important parts of their day, it's lunchtime.
Well, that's their heads up now, right? Joining us now from Bay State Medical Center to tell us more about healthy options for your child's lunch is Nancy Anderson.
Hi there.
Hi, Nancy.
How are you?
So tell us a little bit about what good options are for parents to pick for lunch.
Good options are things that your kids will eat.
It's true. They can be picky eaters.
They can be very selective, and the last thing you want to do is stand on your head trying to buy things that you think they'll eat and then just find out through other means that they've traded all that food for something else someone else has.
Well, what if they like cookies? Like,
Well, so
you shouldn't
all-
give them a bunch of those.
So
right?
you should give some, though.
Some
All
cookies.
foods fit, right? So they should be part of the process, depending on their age. Ideas for the morning rush would be to have different selections in each food category available and out in baskets or bowls or on the counter for them to pick from. And so then they feel empowered. They make some choices. Okay, here's your fruit choice. Pick what you want. Here's your sometimes choice. So if it's cookies or chips or all those things, that should be part of every kid's lunch. Why not?
It's true.
And
You
the
have to be realistic.
Of course you have to be realistic, because otherwise they'll do the opposite of what your intent is, and they have to know that all foods do fit. Sometimes foods, I call those foods, should be part of a balanced lunch, healthy lunch. You just also want them to eat and get the nutrition in for their school day.
So if they see Susie or Billy's lunch and they get excited because they have something that they don't have in their lunch, how do you prevent them from sharing lunches?
Well, you don't, right? We don't have control over them. Once they go to school, they're not ours anymore, they're the world's. So all we can do is model the behavior at home, and we're the gatekeeper. So we bring in their choices in our home from which they choose. However, if ring dings aren't something that comes in your door, and Susie has that, there really is no control over that. You can control their after school snacks if they're with you after school, and certainly their dinner snacks and meals. But you don't control that, but certainly you can talk about how we might be able to get some new favorite that they've discovered from somebody else in the home once in a while.
No, it's not just food. People got to drink some stuff as
They
well.
do.
You and I, Nancy, we've had
We
some
have.
good talks in the past
We
about
have.
these sugary drinks.
Yeah.
Is there anything, we only got about a minute here,
Okay.
is there anything that a viewer at home, a parent at home should know about a certain drink, maybe something that jumps out to you that's just a no-no if you see it?
So certainly empty calorie drinks are juices. We need fruit, but we don't need juice.
Okay.
And worse than that, certainly, sodas, Gatorades, those, advertised for kids, thinking that they need that to keep their energy up. That's all wasted money and certainly no good for any growing child. Water is what they need at lunch, or milk. Most kids will have chocolate milk, and chocolate milk, if they buy that at school, is better than no milk at all if they can tolerate milk. So that's sugary, but at least it's got some protein and calcium. But water, and not even bottled water. I recommend that they have their own reusable water bottle, that they bring ice and water in and can refill at the
Kind
fountains.
of gets them in a habit
Eco-friendly.
to hydrate.
Absolutely. It's environmentally friendly and also better for your health as well.
Awesome. Thank you so
You're
much,
welcome.
Nancy. We appreciate it so
You're
much.
welcome.